wanting more potentially, given just the amount of times that he's had to play second fiddle, and that's no sort of that's not sort of playing down the performances, because to finish second to Marc this year and to be beating the riders he is a magnificent achievement. But still, second place is second place, and I'm sure he would like a few more gold medals or a few more P1 trophies back at home.
I think if Alex Marquez had won MotoGP races before this year and been a more regular podium finisher, I think he might look at this year slightly differently. This does still, even though he's very experienced, does feel like a bit of a breakthrough season for Alex